Honestly, that friendship was my comfort space for both of us, honestly. And जो मेरे दो, 2.5 months निकले हैं smoother than the last few weeks after his eviction was because we were there for each other and we could emotionally find that space to vent out and talk about things. रही बात overshadow होने की, I don't really think that's the case. But yes, मुझे ये बाहर आके realize हो रहा है that a lot of the times that I took a stand, I talked to people, वो कुछ नहीं दिखाया है. And again, I guess because of the episode time limitations, I'm not blaming anyone. Of course, वो इतना सब कुछ एक episode में compile नहीं कर सकते हैं. So probably the audience has not seen that before. And बाद में वो चीज़ें ज़्यादा दिख रही थी episodes में. But even in the later episodes, they have just shown my reaction and not the actions जिस पे मैं provoke हुई हूँ. So there has been a lot of to and fro that way कि क्या दिख रहा है बाहर, क्या edit out हो रहा है. So there's a lot of difference in that about what was happening inside the house and जो बाहर जिस तरह चीज़ें दिख रही थी, जो narratives set हो रहे थे probably, in the audience's minds. So these are two very different things.
I asked Abhishek straight up because अभिनूर एक ऐसे मिसाल बन गया दोस्ती की और प्यार के लिए भी. A lot of people are making these romantic edits, which I'm sure is cute in a way. Obviously, I had asked Abhishek, do you think there is a scope? Do you think you have feelings for her? Because I didn't want to dilly-dally or I didn't want to beat around the bush. And he said, नहीं यार, दोस्ती बहुत पक्की है. I would like to ask you that straight-up question again to kind of clarify that.
अरे यार, we are living in 2025.
Sure.
It's not that एक लड़का और एक लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. We are very good friends. He's my best friend, and I really, both of us really value that friendship a lot. And it's a very pure bond. We are there for each other, and we are always going to be there for each other.
मुझे लगता है बहुत प्यारी बॉन्ड डेफिनेटली थी क्योंकि वो हमेशा उन्होंने आपके लिए साइड लिया जब आप घर के अंदर भी थे. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट यू स्टूड अप फॉर हिम एज वेल. बहुत मुझे लगा ये व्हेन ही मेट यू आल्सो आई वांट टू नो हाउ दैट वाज. आप लोगों ने फोटोज डाले और इट वाज वेरी स्वीट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू वर अपसेट एंड ही सेंड यू फ्लावर्स एंड लाइक अ गुड फ्रेंड. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
No, he's very considerate that way. He really cares for me. Yeah, so I just think that's what true friendship is, that when your best friend's feeling low, you do whatever you can do to lift them up.